Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to fix Gmail error on iPhone. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to App Store, and now just simply select search at the bottom and search for Gmail. And from here guys, just select the app, and when there is an update, just make sure to update it and just make sure you are running the latest version of the app application. Now, when there is an update, you should be able to see here update instead of open. Now, if that doesn't work, just simply go ahead and go through the settings into your device. Now here on the settings, just simply go for the general, and here just simply go ahead and go for the iPhone storage. And now you should be able to see here the list of applications that you have. Just simply select Gmail, and from here just simply select offload app, and from there it will reset the app and you should be able to fix the issue. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching. See ya.